Welcome to Deadwood, South Dakota, a legendary town frozen in time, where Wild West legends walk the dusty streets and history echoes from every wooden plank and saloon door. Grab your hat, saddle up, and let's take a journey through one of America's most iconic frontier towns. Let's rewind the clock to the late 1800s. Deadwood wasn't just another mining town, it was the heart of the Black Hills Gold Rush. Founded illegally on sacred Lakota land in 1876, Deadwood exploded overnight into a boomtown full of gamblers, outlaws, and prospectors, all searching for gold and a little bit of trouble. You've probably heard of Wild Bill Hickok, right? This is where he met his fate, shot while holding the dead man's hand, a pair of aces and eights, inside Saloon number 10. Calamity Jane? She walked these very streets. Her story, like so many others, is etched into the town's wooden facades and sandstone foundations. Deadwood was wild, lawless, and dangerous, but that's what made it famous. The name Deadwood comes from the dead trees found in the narrow gulch where the town was founded. A haunting name, fitting for a place with a ghostly past and rugged beauty. Today, Deadwood is a National Historic Landmark, perfectly preserved, beautifully restored, and fully alive with culture, adventure, and mystery. Number 1. Historic Main Street. Step into the past on Main Street. With original 19th century buildings, old-timey saloons, and daily reenactments of Wild West shootouts, you're not just watching history, you're living it. Number 2. Mount Moriah Cemetery. Visit the final resting place of Wild Bill Hickok, Calamity Jane, and other iconic figures. This cemetery isn't just historic, it has some of the best views of Deadwood. Number 3. Adams Museum and House. Want to dig deeper? The Adams Museum is packed with artifacts, tales, and treasures from Deadwood's golden days. Number 4. The Broken Boot Gold Mine. Don a hard hat and go underground to learn what mining life was really like. You can even pan for your own gold. Number 5. The Days of 76 Museum. A tribute to the early pioneers and the famous Days of 76 celebration, this museum has carriages, weapons, clothing, and more.
After exploring the town, you're gonna need to refuel. Luckily, Deadwood serves up food with flavor and history. Legend Steakhouse at Silverado Franklin. For a taste of class and a nod to the past, this steakhouse offers prime cuts in a historic hotel that once hosted Teddy Roosevelt. Deadwood Social Club. This hidden gem above Saloon number 10 serves incredible Italian-American cuisine, fine wines, and great vibes. Jacob's Brewhouse and Grocer. Craft beer meets hearty food. Locally brewed beer, juicy burgers, and even vegan options.
If you want to eat like the old-timers, try these traditional South Dakota and frontier-style favorites. Chislick. Marinated, skewered, and fried cubes of meat, usually lamb or beef, a local delicacy. Indian tacos. Fry bread loaded with bison chili, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes, a must-try. Bison burgers. Lean, flavorful, and packed with protein. A taste of the prairie.
When the sun sets, Deadwood comes alive with the clinking of glasses and the sound of live music. Saloon number 10, not just a bar, a museum, a reenactment stage, and the exact place where Wild Bill Hickok was shot. Enjoy whiskey where legends once sat. The Bloody Nose Saloon. Live bands, cold drinks, and a Wild West theme that's more than just decor, it's the vibe. Silverado Franklin Casino and Bar. Try your luck with slots, blackjack, and a bar that overlooks Main Street.
Deadwood is the perfect launch pad for exploring the Black Hills. Mount Rushmore, just over an hour's drive, see the iconic Presidential Monument. Spearfish Canyon, a scenic drive with waterfalls, hiking, and stunning views. Custer State Park, wildlife, winding roads, and the famous bison herd. Lead SD, visit the Sanford Lab Homestake Visitor Center, a deep dive into America's largest gold mine.
Whether you want a rustic cabin, a haunted hotel, or a luxury suite, Deadwood's got it. The historic Bullock Hotel, haunted rooms, antique charm, and western elegance. Deadwood Mountain Grand, a modern resort with spa, casino, and killer views. Celebrity Hotel, lavish rooms, Hollywood memorabilia, and walking distance to everything.
Deadwood isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. The stories, the spirit, the people. From history buffs to foodies to ghost hunters, there's something here for everyone. So whether you're chasing history, adventure, or just a great steak and a cold beer, Deadwood's got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Wild West town? And don't forget, what happens in Deadwood gets written into legend.